from the CBS 3 studios in Philadelphia, this is Eyewitness News.
There are new developments tonight surrounding the deadly natural gas explosion in Ewing Township. The family of Linda Serratelli, who was killed, has now filed a civil lawsuit against both PSE&G as well as contractor Henkels & McCoy. Eyewitness News reporter Jan Carabeo has more on that, as well as never-before-seen photos of the blast site.
They're the photos that show the aftermath of a devastating blast, a gas explosion in Ewing Township that took one life and injured 7 others. These have never been seen before, the cause of it all. Photos released Friday by attorney Tom Klein, who represents the family of Linda Serratelli, the 62-year-old woman killed.
This was an accident that should never have happened. It was a series of horrible mistakes.
Mistakes that Klein says he's laid out in the civil suit now filed against utility, PSE&G, and contractor Henkels & McCoy. Klein says problems started here with a mismarked gas line. He says these yellow flags mark where crews thought that line was located.
But the gas line took a turn. And that's something that should have been known and should have been marked out correctly by PSE&G. No doubt about that.
Instead, contractor Henkels & McCoy pierced the pipe.
And this damage was known but wasn't reported for in a period literally over 2 hours.
2 disastrous results, death and 55 homes damaged or destroyed. Now, this suit claims negligent and reckless conduct by the utility and the contractor.
There being no turning off of the gas, no turning off of electricity, no calling of 911, no evacuation of the scene.
Both PSE&G and Henkels & McCoy say they don't comment on ongoing litigation, but Klein hopes everyone takes notice.
So that utility companies and contractors can learn from this that it shouldn't happen.
And avoid tragedies like Linda Serratelli's. Jan Carabeo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.